Hello, my name is Emma Shorjock, and today I'm going to be showcasing my app, Fridgevintory. I made this app in MIT App Inventor, and made it because my family was tired of throwing away food that we didn't realize had gone bad. In fact, in the United States, almost 119 billion pounds of food are wasted every year. I'm hoping that my app would help people to track what's in their fridge and when it expires so that they can use it rather than waste it. To begin, we're going to click the Add New Food button. And we're going to add some milk. Our milk expires in about a month, and we're going to click the dairy category. There's about 149 calories per serving, 12 carbs, and our serving size is 1 cup. Last, we'll make a little note saying that it's whole milk, and we'll click the Finish button. Now when we click on our dairy category, our milk is right there with the expiration date. Now we're going to add a few more foods, starting with cheese. Our cheese expires today, is a dairy. There's 30 calories, 0 carbs, and our serving size is 2 slices. And we'll say that it's provolone cheese. Next, we'll add some strawberries. Our strawberries expire in a few days. Our fruit, they have 45 calories per serving, 12.7 carbs, and our serving size is half a cup. Now we'll add some ham. Our ham expired a few days ago, let's say, is a meat. There's 70 calories per serving, 0 carbs, and our serving size is 1 slice. Lastly, we're going to add some insulin. Like food, insulin needs to be refrigerated and expires after a certain point. We'll say our insulin expires around the 20th. It's a medication, and obviously it doesn't have any calories or carbs, but for our serving size, we can say something like 100 units. Not everyone will use this much, but when we're filling a pod or a pump, which lasts about 3 days, we'll fill it up with 100 units. And then we'll say finish. Now when we go into each of our categories, we can see the foods and items that we've put in. Next, we're going to search for foods in our search bar. If we try and look something up that we don't have, such as carrots, it's going to say we don't have it. However, if we look up something like cheese, which we do have, a pop-up will come up with all the information about our cheese. And we can say, okay. Next, we're going to click our button that says expired, which will tell us which foods have expired or are expiring today so that we can use them. It says our ham has expired and our cheese expires today. Now, to delete an item, such as our ham because it's expired, we'll go into the category, click our ham, and the pop-up will show up again. We're going to click the delete button, and it'll ask us to verify. If we say yes, it'll delete it, and now it's no longer there. This is my app, Fridgevintory, and I would like to thank you for watching.